These are Boult Audio ProBass Curve Neckband in-ear style wireless earphones, and today we are going to talk about the same. So guys, let's first start with the unboxing for the Boult Audio ProBass Curve Wireless Bluetooth Earphones. Inside, the first thing that you will find is the earphones themselves. After that, you get the charging cable, which is a micro USB cable for charging these earphones, and then you also get the documentation on the inside along with branding. You also get changeable earbuds for these, so if you're somebody who has a different ear size, you will find it easier to use. Talking further about the built-in design, these are pretty lightweight and have a very nice snug fit inside the ears. If I talk about the button options on the top, so it has a plus minus volume button option. If you look closely, there's also a power button option which can be long pressed in order to pair these with your smartphone. At the bottom, there's the micro USB port for charging these. And if you look closely, there's also the microphone hole present here in order to take your calls. Talking further about the built-in design, the Boult Audio ProBass Curve Neckband earphones come with unique magnetic design. So these earbuds just lock in place when you are not using them, and that makes it a very handy addition. Just lock them in place when you are not listening to your music, and when you are ready to listen to your music, just pop them up and put them in your ears. It has passive noise cancellation, noise isolating, aerospace grade aluminum drivers, and if I talk about what's on the inside, it comes with micro woofers which produce deep bass and isolate any noise that's present in your environment. Talking further about the earbuds, you will notice the first peculiar thing about these is that they're angled at a very different angle. These are angled off axis at 60 degrees so that the sound is directly tunneled inside your ear canal, and you get better noise isolation, you get better highs and better bass. So if you're a music fanatic, the first question that you will ask is, how long would these last? So the battery life for these ones is rated at around 10 hours of battery backup. And if you're somebody like me who likes to listen to their music for extended periods of time, you will find that these certainly do the job. These earphones are IPX5 Sweatproof, and unlike a lot of other wireless earphones, the best part about them is the neckband, so you don't have to worry about where did you put these when you are not using them. When you are not using them, they just rest on your neck like this, and as soon as you are ready to go, just pop them in and start your listening experience. So who should buy the Boult Audio ProBass Curve Neckband in-ear style wireless earphones? Anybody who wants great sound quality, who wants ergonomic design and portability, and a great battery life in their audio product should go for this one. So guys, now the question would arise where you can buy these earphones. You can buy the Boult Audio ProBass Curve Neckband in-ear wireless Bluetooth earphones on Amazon.in. So guys, this was Aitin Ajha from InspiredWise.com signing off, and as always, thanks for watching.